Enduro S-Works Carbon.
The Enduro still uses a horse-link design, with the chainstay pivot located below the rear axle, but Specialized moved the shock lower in the frame and shifted the main pivot location to accomplish several design goals. Those goals included improving the bike's momentum carry, the way that it carries speed through rough sections of trail, increasing the amount of anti-squat, and increasing the amount of progression. Those three goals could have potentially been accomplished using the prior frame design. By the way, I'm Salili 150. It's a bike review for you today. Otis ni baby shet long. Ha ha ha. Hinsen konga policy Eleanor, na mistress nim kabam. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Saddle, Entry. Seat post, X Fusion Menic 150mm travel 34.9 diameter. S-Works frame only, $3,310 US. Rear shock, DPX2. Rear travel, 170mm. Frame material, carbon. Andumi Dumi. Yaki EAU. Front tire, Vittoria Mazda 2.6. Rotors, stream centerline 203mm. Andumi Dumi Talaga. Yaki EAU. Rear tire, Vittoria Mazda 2.4. Cassette, NX1. Rear derailleur, SRAM GX12 speed. Water bottle, Woolly. Handlebar, race face effect. Stem, race face turbine 35 degrees. Rear travel, 170mm. Crankset, SRAM GX32 teeth boost. Hubs, Hindi Koalam, ha 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 sorry. E-comment Leona long below, thank you. Brakes, SRAM Kodar. Rotors, stream centerline 203mm. Fork, rear ultimate. Front travel, 170mm. Anghabaneman. Grips, DMR. Handlebar, race face effect. Stem, race face turbine 35 degrees. Rims, Ruval 30mm wide. Magkananaba Ito? Sana O. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Back to you, Papa Shetlong.
You know, wow, whoa, whoa.